experiencing a persistent network issue can be incredibly frustrating. I personally encountered this exact problem and, after extensive testing, discovered multiple effective solutions to get your connection working again. I'm now going to share these proven techniques with you. The first method, power cycling your router and PC, clears temporary network errors. This resets all network hardware, allowing devices to re-establish connections cleanly and obtain a new DHCP lease, often resolving communication breakdowns. Next, resetting your network adapter directly refreshes its internal state. Disabling and re-enabling the adapter clears software glitches, prompting it to renegotiate settings and request a new IP address, crucial for fixing the identifying status. For the third approach, renewing your IP and clearing DNS targets address assignment issues. Releasing your IP tells the network you need a new one from the DHCP server, while flushing DNS removes bad entries, ensuring correct website queries. This helps to fix Ethernet stuck on identifying no DHCP, no internet loop. Finally, updating your network driver is essential. The driver is software for hardware communication, and an up-to-date version provides bug fixes and compatibility, resolving underlying communication errors for proper network identification and DHCP assignment.